2026 is here. And before anything else, I want you to slow down, breathe, and recognize something important. This year is not just another number on the calendar. This is a reset point, a restart button, and a refocus moment for your entire life. Everything you survived, everything you've endured, all the lessons, all the pain, all the wins, all the losses, they have brought you right here to this moment. And this moment is powerful because this is the moment you get to decide who you will be for the next 12 months. This is not about the world changing. This is about you changing. It's time to reset your mind, restart your journey, and refocus your energy. The truth is, last year might have exhausted you. Maybe you faced situations that broke your confidence. Maybe you lost opportunities, lost friends, or even lost your sense of direction. Maybe the things you planned didn't happen. Maybe you disappointed yourself. Maybe you were fighting battles nobody even knew about. And maybe, deep down, there were days when you felt like giving up. But listen carefully, those days did not defeat you. You're still here. You're still standing. And as long as you're still standing, you still have the power to change your story. Today is your proof that you are stronger than every challenge, every heartbreak, every setback that tried to break you down. And now, entering 2026, it's time to reset your entire mindset. Resetting doesn't mean forgetting your past. It means letting go of the parts that no longer serve you. Let go of the fear. Let go of the guilt. Let go of the mistakes. Let go of the pressure of being perfect. Let go of the voices that told you you can't. Let go of the days you doubted your worth. You don't need to carry the weight of 2025 into 2026. You can't climb the higher levels while holding on to old burdens. When a phone glitches, you reset it. When your life glitches, you reset your mindset. You refresh your energy. You clear the clutter from your thoughts. You choose peace over pressure. You choose clarity over confusion. Resetting is not weakness. It is wisdom. Once you reset, the next step is to restart. Restarting is not starting from zero. Restarting is starting from experience. Restarting means you now begin with lessons, with strength, with resilience you didn't have before. Maybe you drifted off track. Maybe you forgot your vision. Maybe life distracted you. But now you restart with intention. You restart with determination. You restart with new habits, new goals, new discipline. The most powerful people in the world are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who restart every time they fall. You are not behind. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be to restart your rise. The past year does not define you. What defines you is what you decide to do next. Restarting is bravery. It is saying, I'm not finished. I still have more inside me. And you do. You have more strength, more potential, more greatness than you've allowed yourself to believe. Now comes the most important part, refocusing. Because dreams without focus fade. Plans without focus fail. Potential without focus dies. 2026 will give you nothing if you stay distracted. This is the year you cut out noise. This is the year you say no to people who drain your energy. This is the year you protect your peace. This is the year you train your mind to stay locked on what matters. You cannot hit a target you never look at. You cannot build a life you never prioritize. Refocus means you choose growth over comfort, discipline over excuses, purpose over procrastination. Refocus means your vision becomes clear again, painfully clear. It means you stop wasting time scrolling, comparing, and worrying. Instead, you direct your focus toward your goals, your health, your mindset, your work, your mission. Where focus goes, energy flows. And where energy flows, results grow. 2026 is not about being perfect. It's about being committed. It's about showing up even when you're tired. It's about working even when you're not motivated. It's about pushing forward even when progress is slow. You don't need a perfect plan. You need consistent action. You don't need to know the whole path. You just need to take the next step. One step today, another step tomorrow. Small changes compound into big transformations. Momentum doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. And once you start, once you get even a little bit of momentum, your entire life begins to shift. And understand this, the old version of you cannot enter this new year. The fearful you, the doubting you, the procrastinating you, the easily distracted. You, that version has to stay in the past. 2026 requires a stronger you, a sharper you, a more disciplined you, a you who believes in themselves even when nobody else does. You have dreams inside you that are too big to be lived with small habits. You have a future waiting for you that can't be reached with old excuses. You have greatness inside you that can't grow in comfort zones. This year demands a new identity, a version of you that wakes up hungry, focused, and driven. Yes, the journey will be hard. Yes, you will face challenges. Yes, there will be days when you feel like quitting. But you must remember, growth always comes with struggle. Diamonds are created under pressure. Muscles grow through resistance. Stars are born from darkness. And you are being shaped by everything you survived. You don't get stronger by avoiding difficulty. You get stronger by walking through it. Pain is temporary. Discipline is temporary. Sacrifice is temporary. But the reward is forever. So as you step into 2026, step in with intention. Step in with fire. Step in with belief. Step in with clarity. Tell yourself, this is my year. This is my time. This is my rise. You owe it to your past self who fought through so much. You owe it to your future self who deserves success. You owe it to the world that needs your gifts. You owe it to yourself because you are worthy of greatness. From this moment on, carry this mindset with you. You are not resetting because you failed. You are resetting because you are evolving. You are not restarting because you're weak. You are restarting because you are wiser. You are not refocusing because you're lost. You are refocusing because your destination is clearer than ever. This is your new beginning. This is your turning point. This is your transformation year. 2026 is not waiting for you to be ready. It is waiting for you to begin. So rise, reset, restart, refocus, and step into the best year of your life with courage, purpose, and unstoppable energy. This is your year. Take control of it. Create it, own it, live it. Because 2026 belongs to you.